What's up everyone, it's Justin and Taylor, the founders of LIT Method, and today on Class FitSugar, we are bringing you a low-impact, high-intensity 8-minute workout.
This session is sponsored by V8 Plus Energy, which is plant-powered.
And it is a combined serving of fruits and vegetables to help you be your best on those busy days.
Low impact definitely doesn't mean low energy, so for today's workout, we're gonna get you up on your feet and break a quick sweat. I want you to give this workout your all, so let's get after it.
Okay guys, we're gonna start off with a nice dynamic warm-up. So we're gonna go into an alternating reverse lunge to overhead reach. Reaching back nice and long, switching sides.
All right, the purpose for this dynamic warm-up is to really prepare your body for this 8-minute session. It's gonna go by so fast, we're gonna sweat, we're gonna smile, and we're gonna build strength.
Yes, we are.
I love it. So each exercise is gonna be 1 minute, and this dynamic warm-up is just setting the tone for the entire workout. Get ready to sweat. We're really gonna bring it for you guys. So here's the drill. I really want you to focus on your form, driving those arms all the way up overhead and making sure you're breathing throughout every single movement. We got 15 seconds and we're bringing it to the next move.
Stay with us.
How you feeling, T?
I'm feeling good.
All right, we're switching that next move in 8, in 6, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Shake it out. Perfect. The next move, dynamic warm-up, is gonna be a squat to row. On our go, arms extended in 3, 2, 1, squat and row. Perfect.
Really sitting back in those heels, driving up nice and tall. Woo!
Awesome, you guys. So when you externally rotate, I really want you to focus on retracting your shoulders, pulling everything back. All right, when I say go, we're gonna pick up that tempo just a little bit. In 3, in 2, in 1, let's go. Last 20 seconds.
Woo.
Ooh, Tay's really picking up the tempo.
We're picking it up.
Low impact doesn't mean low energy, guys. Come on now. We've got 10 seconds left on the clock. You've got this. Small steps, big impact. Last 4,
woo.
Last 3, last 2, 1. Shake it out. Give me some. This is what it's all about. Right now, no matter where you are, I just want you to give yourself a big round of applause. You're winning, you're making it through the workout. 8 minutes, you just gotta move your body. Here we go. We're gonna go into a nice compound movement. It's gonna really elevate your heart rate, build strength. You ready, T?
I'm ready.
Take your hands just like this. We're gonna call these marchers. You're gonna take your left knee to right elbow, and then we're gonna alternate each side in 3, in 2, in 1, let's go.
Woo.
Okay, like we told you at the start of this class, we're gonna crank it up.
Yes, we are.
We've got 8 minutes on the clock. We're gonna work as hard as we can. We gotta bring our energy. We gotta pick it up here.
Yes, we do.
All right, 30 seconds, drive it all the way up. And if you wanna smile like Taylor the whole time, that's a plus. She does it every single class. So I don't know how she does it, but we're smiling, we're sweating, we're building strength together. Here's the drill. I want you to pick it up. Last 20 seconds.
Woo!
You've got this, come on.
Let's see it, Class FitSugar.
Last 10 seconds, drive those knees up just a little bit higher for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out.
Woo.
One of our favorite exercises are gonna be called ball slams.
Ooh.
Feet are shoulder width apart. I want you to imagine you have a big resistance ball here. 3, in 2,
in
in 1. Slam it down. Alternate each side. Uh-oh.
Get a little mad at it.
Uh-oh. All right. This one right here. So you're engaging your core, you're strengthening your lumbar, you're elevating your heart rate. This is a total body exercise. I just want to remind you guys, 8 minutes. That's it. You're halfway through this workout already. You've got this.
Woo!
30 seconds to go. I want you to challenge yourself just a little bit more here. Pick that tempo up.
Let's see it.
You're pushing, T.
I'm pushing.
You're pushing.
We got big moves.
All right,
Woo!
here we go. Small steps.
Big moves.
All right, last 10, 9, 8,
Woo!
7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Shake it out. Extenders coming at you. No breaks yet. We've got a break after this. Right leg back, left leg forward, a little flexion in your knee. Hands come straight out, knee drives in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Guys, this is what it's all about. The small steps you take have a huge, 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 huge impact. So just remember that. 8 minutes a day, no matter how long your day, how short, you can squeeze it in.
You
we
got
switch
this.
sides in 10. Uh-oh, heart rate's elevated.
Oh, yes it is.
In 6, in 4, in 3, you've got this. 2, 1, switch, go.
Woo!
Uh-oh. Whenever Taylor makes that woo sound, You know we're working, you know we're sweating. 2 instructors, double the sweat, double the fun, guys.
Yes, it is.
All right, here we go. Last 15 seconds, let's crank it up.
Let's see it.
You got this. Come on, power your workout right here. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4,
and 4, 3,
2, 1.
Shake it out.
Woo!
You guys, I know your heart rate is up. I want you to take a few big inhales. Let the heart rate drop. You've got this.
Remember, this workout is just a series of small steps to make a big difference in your life.
You've got this. Come
got
on, let's go
this.
get to the core section. All right, meet us down. One of our favorite moves to do is gonna be mountain climbers right off the start. So I want you to take your hands directly underneath your shoulder blades. Head up on us. We're gonna drive alternating knees in 3, in 2, in 1. Perfect. All right, you guys, here it is. 30 seconds per move, activating your core. Remember, in this 8-minute workout, you get a total body workout. You've got this. All right, 15 seconds to go. If you can, I want you to increase your tempo just a little bit. For the last 10 seconds, you've got this. For 8, for 7, for 6, for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, flip it on over. All right, here's the deal. We're gonna go activate your core with some slow flutters. Hands go underneath the butt, just like this. Support your lumbar, legs come out all the way. When I say go, we alternate each leg. Left foot first in 3, 2, 1. Take it left and then right. Okay, so if you wanted to make this a little bit harder, I want you to take your shoulder blades off the ground, point your toes, and really activate that core.
You can always modify with me with shoulders nice and flat.
All right, you guys, this is it. You've got this. Hang in there with us. 3, 2, 1. Feet come down. We're gonna go sit up to punches. You're gonna cross your body at the top in 3. Hands come up overhead. In 2, 1. Up, left, right, down. Left, right, down. Uh-oh. You're like, I'm gonna incorporate this one every single day. I know. We like to as well. All right, you got 15 seconds. This is it. You've got this. Oh, Tay's picking up her pace here.
We're at the final stretch.
All right, last 10. You've got it for 8. You've got it for 6. You've got it for 5. For 4. For 3. For 2. For 1, and recover. Turn it on around. No breaks yet. You've got this. Total body workout. All right, so these are gonna be called Commandos. Abs are gonna be nice and tight. Here we go. Shoulder width apart. When I say go, we're gonna drop down, alternating elbows, and right back up to a high plank position in 3, in 2, in 1. Left arm, right arm, up, right arm, left arm, up. There we go, fantastic. This is your last move of your class. No matter how hard it is, I just want you to remember how strong you are. You've got this.
You've got this.
15 seconds to go. Uh-oh. This is it, stay with us. Last 10. Home stretch. You've got this for 5.
Stay with us.
For 4, you've got this. For 3, for 2, for 1, and recover. All right, meet us on your butt. Let's do a quick stretching, some cool downs. First things first, legs extended, eyes are closed, arms come up into the air. I want you just to close your eyes, 15 seconds. You moved your body today. You worked out 8 minutes, total body workout. So proud of you. Thank you for sweating with us. Big inhale as deep as you can. Exhale, full forward, grab your toes, lengthen your hamstrings. How you feeling over there, T?
Oh, that was a doozy.
We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much for sweating with us. Remember, the small steps that you take have a huge impact. So all you need to do is move your body, and we applaud you for working with us today.
Yes.
Take your right leg over your left. Left arm comes up into the air. You inhale, you exhale, you twist. So low impact is all about longevity, all about taking care of your body. That's why we are thrilled to be partnering with V8 Plus Energy, fueling your body the right way. Switch sides, inhale, exhale, twist. Fantastic job. 3, 2, 1. All right, go ahead and meet us up. That was your 8-minute workout. Thank you so much for joining us today. This workout was full of small moves that lead to big outcomes.
This session was powered by V8 Plus Energy. Cheers, we'll see you next time.